Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Somebody contacted me. Your font is normally in points, and somebody wants to turn them into inches. Now, 7 years ago or so, I made a video on this, but I just watched it and it's kind of long drawn out, and I thought I'd make a new one and make it quicker for people to see. So if you'll, with nothing selected, well, it doesn't really matter. Go to Tools, Options, Corel Draw, and under General, go down to Text. So you text and go right here, default text unit to inches. As long as you say okay. Now if we look, this font is, so if you needed to be 5 inches, that would be in inches. Now, it doesn't really correlate with that. It's kind of misleading, and that's the other video kind of got into that. Because like 72 points is supposed to be an inch. So what is the 5 inches? And if here I go, I'm going to make this video longer than I wanted to, or longer than you wanted to. See, that's 3. That's 2.73. This is 3.66. Where is the 5 point? Where's the 5 inch? Make it 1 inch. See, well, this makes more sense. 1 inch is size-wise, it's almost 3/4 of an inch tall. But I'm just wondering it and see how it changed my numbers. What is really the size? If you always just select it and hold down the shift and hit your rectangle button, that tells you that rectangle is less than so what does the 1 inch represent? Maybe that's why nobody uses it and everybody puts it on point. So real quickly, just to get it back, go to Tools, Option, Corel Draw, and turn it back to points. And as long as you hit OK. Anyway, I hope that answers the question. Thank you for watching.